Pinterest business roles explained: admin, editor, and finance access. If you work with a team, VA, or agency, managing access to your Pinterest account is essential. Today, I'm breaking down how Pinterest business roles work and how to control who can do what inside your account. Let's keep your content flowing and your account secure. Why user roles matter. Pinterest business accounts allow multiple users, each with a specific role. Setting the right permissions keeps your workflows organized and prevents accidental changes or security risks. The 3 Pinterest roles. Overview. There are 3 main roles you can assign: admin, full access to everything; editor, content creation and management only; finance manager, billing and ads access only. Admin role, full control, admins can do it all. Edit the profile, claim websites, manage billing, adjust settings, and even add or remove users. Because this role holds so much power, limit admin access to only key personnel. Editor role, content management. Editors are your content heroes. They can create and schedule pins, manage boards, and engage with your audience. But they can't touch billing or account security. Perfect for VAs or social media managers. Finance manager, ad-only access. The finance manager handles all things ads and payments. They can manage billing and budgets, but they don't have access to content or account settings. This is ideal for agencies or in-house finance teams managing Pinterest ads. How to invite users. To add a team member, go to Settings. Permissions, enter their email, choose a role, and send the invite. They'll get an email to accept, and boom, they're in. Removing access. Need to remove someone? Only admins can do that. Just revisit the Permissions tab, select the user, and revoke access. Business access for agencies. If you manage multiple Pinterest accounts for clients, use Pinterest's Business Access feature. It lets you switch accounts without logging out, perfect for marketing agencies. Limitations and workarounds. There's currently no viewer-only role. If you want to share data without giving access, export reports from Pinterest Analytics and send them manually. Account ownership and security. Only the original account owner has ultimate control. Admins have power, but they can't remove the account owner. This keeps your business protected, even if admins change. Best practices for managing roles. Review permissions regularly. Limit admin access to decision makers. Remove users immediately when roles change. Use editors for day-to-day tasks. Use finance roles to separate content from billing. Collaborating on Pinterest shouldn't mean compromising control. With the right roles and settings, your team can stay productive, while your account stays protected. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more Pinterest business tips. Tell me in the comments, who are you inviting to manage your Pinterest account?